Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, DeAvila Sadé, with your host, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, and I'm back with the new video. If you're new to my channel is about all things Microlocs and my journey, as well as some of my dog content here and there with Lil Devontae, okay? So if you are new to my channel, I have an entire playlist of my Microlocs journey from install day until now. You can go and watch that from the beginning if you want to see how I went from that to this. Yes, we are 3 years in. Okay, 3 years. Love my lamp. And today I am bringing you a updated wash day routine, but I'm also using new products, so it's like a product review to see how I feel about this product. Woo, woo, woo. Now y'all, look at this right here, okay? This brand is called BlackBerry Pearls. This is not sponsored. Y'all, one night I was just sliding through YouTube shorts. I couldn't sleep. It was like early morning one time. Okay, anyway. And I saw this woman. I saw this, this cosmetologist, this stylist, talk about making these products to help you wash your hair. And y'all, what really drove me to it was that they look like laundry pods. They're shampoo pods, but they look like laundry pods. And I use laundry pods for my laundry. So I was like, and she's like, one pearl is enough. Well, for the first wash and then one pearl for the second wash. So I was like, let me go ahead and get these pearls that she has, because it like, oh my God. And she used it on so many different types of hair texture. I was like, but I didn't see her use it on any locks. I'm sure she has, but I just didn't see it. So I went ahead, and she has 2 different collections. I bought one of her entire collections. So let me see, I think it was like $75 for everything. But let me show you what I got before y'all start trying to say something, okay? Let me show you what I got. So again, the brand is called BlackBerry Pearls, and this is the conditioning shampoo, the different pods. Let's see. Yeah, let's see the pods. So this is what they look like. Like, this is gonna be so cute. I got the 21 pearls pods. I got the 21 because I was like, who knows? So even if I use 2 per wash, I can at least get 10 washes. So that is the actual shampoo pods. The next product is the Rich Moisture Conditioner. Okay, this is like a little thick conditioner. Now, I know I probably should dilute it, but yeah, I'm probably not, because I think I just want to use it as is. So it's designed to detangle and nourish dry hair. Its infused ingredients of rubus fructus, blackberry seed oil will leave your hair soft, lightweight, smooth, and manageable, enhancing natural shine and healthier hair. So yeah, the Rich Moisture Conditioner, and that's 10 fluid ounces in the conditioner. The next product I have is the Blackberry Curl Cream, okay? It says unleash the potential of your curls with our curl defining cream packed with antioxidant rich blackberry seed oil and vitamin E. This amazing formula not only enhances your hair's elasticity, but also delivers intense hydration, strengthens hair integrity, eliminates frizz, and leaving your curls vibrant and shiny. Okay. So yes, I'm gonna use this as my leave-in. I'm gonna do a braid out. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on camera. I think I'm just gonna do the wash day on camera. So now I have the last product, which is the Blackberry Hair Serum. Is 1.69 fluid ounces. I'm believing that you can use this if you're gonna straighten your hair. I think I'm going to use it as a sealant. So I'm excited. I can't wait to smell the products. Let me at least smell the curl cream. Yeah. Let's see. Oh. Okay, it definitely is a fruity smell, which I love. Okay, so yeah. So what I'm gonna do is take y'all into the shower with me with my swimsuit. I'm gonna take y'all into the shower with me, and we're gonna go ahead and wash my hair in the shower and condition it in the shower. I'll probably leave the conditioner in for about 5 minutes I'll probably leave it in about 10 minutes because I'm gonna go ahead and shower since I'm already in the shower. So let's get to it. We about to wash my hair and try these new products. I will also want to say what I'm seeing with these products is they are vegan, water soluble, sulfate free, paraben free, travel friendly, and made in the US of A. So if you're looking for products that are healthy and don't have all that crap in it, this is it. All right, let's get in the shower. Okay, I have gotten into the shower and I'm starting off with just really soaking my hair, letting my locks absorb the water. I want to make sure that my locks are completely saturated. So now we are going to start with the first pearl, and I just go ahead and put it on top of my head because I don't want to put too much water on it because it's going to dissolve quickly. So I put a little water on it and I get to work on my scalp, and it immediately starts to dissolve in my locks, and I love that. Of course, I dropped it because, hello, I'm clumsy. But I pick it right back up, and as you see, it is literally lathering up. What I love about these PODS is that they're super concentrated. So all the water that goes into making shampoos, that waters it down, and you have to use so much product, you only need a little bit. You only need a little bit. So I really love that. That's definitely a great thing that I love about this product. I decided to go ahead and kind of add a little more water to my hair to kind of help maneuver it or maneuver the product better throughout my locks, because I couldn't see and I couldn't feel. So I'm trying to look in the mirror and I'm struggling. So I'm like, I hope that it's going, down my locks. But yeah, again, this is just the first wash and it's spreading so good. I usually always concentrate on my scalp first when I shampoo with any product. So that was my main focus with this first wash. Here I am going in with the first rinse, and when I mean my hair already feels clean, like it already feels like all the oils and products that I had in my hair is just washing away. And I'm like, oh, wow. Let's start with the second pod. And when I mean, what you're gonna see with this second pod, baby, the eyes have not seen what the ears have not heard. When I mean, you would have thought I put a cup full of shampoo in my hair. How well it's going to lather up. Look at the lather, y'all. Look at it. Oh my gosh. My scalp is like, girl. My locks are like, girl, this is it. Literally. Look at my face. Like, y'all, I'm amazed. Again, this is my first time using the product. I am amazed. It looks like, y'all, I took a bubble bath, okay? Because why is there suds everywhere? Look at me. I'm covered in suds because of how much suds are so populated from that one pod. Like, look at it. This is the truth. Okay? Give me 14 of them, please. Now I am going in with the Rich Moisture Conditioner. And again, this product appears to be very thick. So if you are not fully mature, I would definitely suggest diluting it. Even if you are, you can if you want to. I chose not to because my hair really needed some moisture. And I haven't really experienced product buildup using any type of cream conditioner. And I don't use it that often. So it was easy to work through my locks, and I love that. I feel like it was a lot that came in the bottle, and I didn't even put a dent in it. And after I was done working the conditioner through my locks, I went ahead and let it sit on top of my head for about 10 minutes while I took a shower, and that really was it. All right, y'all, I am back out the shower. I have rinsed out the conditioner. My hair is still wet, but hey, it's all good. Y'all, them products smell so good. Like, oh my God, and my scalp feels so clean. Now, I know y'all saw like my face because I was like 2 pods, got this hair so dang clean. Oh yes. Now y'all know I've learned my lesson from the past of just saying that a product is great off the bat. Like, I know you need to use it a couple of times before, you gotta use it a couple of times before you really know if you like it or not. So I know you have to use it a couple of times before you know like that it's gonna be a good product and how it does on your hair. But so far so good. It's a really great first impression. The conditioner did well. My locks don't feel dry, feel moisturized. So let's go ahead and get into, I'm gonna do a braid out. Now y'all will not probably be seeing the results of this braid out because I have a lot of tutorials on braid outs. You're gonna see how I put on the curl cream. Devontae, stop. He keeps trying to take my slippers off my feet. Like, he's so in love with my slippers. And I'd be like, bruh, don't be putting your paws on me. Hey. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all how I'm layering the product and when I wrap it up. Let's start by parting my locks. Like I said, I'm gonna probably keep these in. Today is Thursday. Devontae, mommy is working. Stop. What? Take my slippers. Go on. Take it. There. Will a man rob God? Let's go ahead and section my hair. I'm probably gonna do, I'm trying to think, do I want to do small braids or do I want to do like big braids and just have wavy hair? I'm trying to get over that. My hair is probably just never gonna grow back, even with the minoxidil I've been using. And I've done a video on it before if you're new to my channel, but it's just right here. They gonna stay on the stick and shut in list, but all of these done came in. All right, so let's just start with a small section. Yeah, semi-small, I guess. And pin this up. Let's see, this is the curl cream again. Oh, it smells so good. Oof, it smells so good. This is the serum. It's gonna be a little pump. So I'm gonna use it as like how you use oil to seal in your moisture. I'm gonna just use it as a sealant. So here is the curl cream. It's thick. Okay, THIQUE, thick. I'm gonna go ahead and put it through my locks. I may sit under the dryer later. I don't know. Right now I'm cleaning up, so I might sit under it later. Yes. No, I might sit under it first. All right, we got it. Oh, it spreads really good. The scent is just so intoxicating. Oh, I feel like I got some. Oh, you know what? You can tell that it has like an oil like base in it, because I honestly feel like I might not need to put no serum in it. If I do, it's gonna be a little bit, like like tips. Yeah, just like I'm probably just gonna put like a little bit. It smells good too. God dang. Okay, she did her big one with these smells. Okay, she did her big one with these smells. So the longer my locks got, it just seemed like the more dry my hair feels. And I have to moisturize it more, or just like, I guess because my locks are like all the way mature or whatever. So yeah, I'd be like, oh girl, I gotta put on some more leave-in more frequently. And sometimes, you know, when I first started, I would only use liquid leave-ins, but girl, I be feeling like I need a little cream. I need a little cream. But yes. Okay. I feel like it dissolves well. The products obviously work well together because I'm not seeing any residue from this angle. So that's really, really good. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right. And there we go. My final thoughts, because I'm not going to let y'all watch me braid my entire hair, because if I'm not going to show you the results, do I really need to let y'all? I don't think y'all want to see that. So as the final results, y'all, this feels so good. It feels so moisturized. I just feel like this whole little product line, I'm so glad I went ahead and invested in the entire product line, because my hair feels so moisturized. So what I'm going to do now, just in general, I'm gonna put away my Head and Shoulders products. I'm gonna put away my swab, and I'm just gonna use this line for at least a month. Probably a month to 3 months, because I usually only wash my hair maybe twice a month at this rate. So I'm gonna see how it does for like the next month, and I might come up in a couple of months, come back with a review. But y'all, if y'all wanna try it, I'm gonna make sure I link her stuff down below so you can go ahead and see it. But so far, I have an amazing impression about this, and I'm really excited because my locks just feel so much like, I don't think y'all understand. Like, it feel like my lock just is slurped it up, and it's like, oh girl, you hydrated me. Like, it feels really hydrated. And again, I got the Rich Moisture entire line. I'll make sure I link down below the exact line I got, because again, she has 2 lines. I'll make sure I do that. But I ain't gonna hold y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more Microlocs content, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.